Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'll be doing the 4G data speed test comparison between the Poco X3 versus the OnePlus 80 device. The Poco X3 is the mid-range segment mobile phone device, and whereas the OnePlus 80 is a premium end smartphone. So in this video, we'll be testing the 4G connection speed test side by side with the Poco X3 versus the OnePlus 80. So let's see friends whether the mid-range segment mobile phone is actually close to the premium and segment mobile phone or not. And one thing is that both phones they do support the 4G plus connection as well. So 4G aggregation is actually supported in both of the smartphones, in the Poco X3 and in the OnePlus 80 device. So I'll be trying to do this kind of speed test at same time in both the phones by changing the same SIM card from the OnePlus 80 to the Poco X3 device. So in this way we'll be able to differentiate how much is the 4G speed test difference between both of the smartphones. And if you want to download this kind of good and cute looking wallpapers, try to check the links in description for the playlist of wallpapers, and you can find the video related to this punch hole videos. So right now you can see here friends, first I am trying to test the 4G data on the Poco X3 device. So at the moment you can see the Poco X3 the 4G data speed test were close to I think 140 Mbps. So on the top, if you notice on the status bar, it says 4G plus as well on the signal on the top. So as you can see right now, I'm getting average around 140 Mbps. So once I test on the Poco X3, then I'll try to swap the same SIM card in the OnePlus 80 smartphone. So in this way, we'll get to know exact speed test difference between both of the smartphones at same location using the same SIM card at same time. So this is another way to test the 4G data speed test. So instead of using the two different SIM cards, so I thought of testing using the one SIM card only at same time. So as you can see right now, the speed test results were close to 150 Mbps, so which is incredibly good for this kind of mid-range segment mobile phone. So which is another good advantage for this Poco X3 smartphone. So now I am testing on the OnePlus 80 device, as you can see here. So I did transfer the SIM card from the Poco X3 to the OnePlus 80. As you can see, the results were pretty close to Poco X3 only. So 148 Mbps in the first test. So every time I'll try to do the two test here. So let's see in that second test how much the results will be there in the OnePlus 80 smartphone. So later I'll try to compare both the phones highest recorded 4G data speed results. So right now you can see the OnePlus 80, the results are increasing close to 200 Mbps, as you can see here friends. So these are overall difference between the mid-range segment versus the premium end smartphone. So these where the premium end segment mobile phones, they are at good at this kind of speeds, 200 Mbps to 250 Mbps as well. So now I'll try to compare the both results side by side. And overall friends, after watching the 4G data speed test comparison side by side, you can see there is a difference of 50 Mbps between the Poco X3 versus the OnePlus 80 device. So usually the higher end mobile phones, they do have the 200 Mbps of speed test in the 4G data, which got recorded in the previous phones like the Redmi K20 Pro, Poco F2 Pro, and in other high-end mobile phones. So in the mid-range segment mobile phones, I do see the speed test of close to 150 Mbps only. So anything more than that for the mid-range segment mobile phone, I would definitely appreciate that phone. And Poco X3 has more than that, so it's close to 172 I think. Let me try to check the highest one. I think this is the highest so far recorded in the Poco X3 device, and let me try to find out the highest in the OnePlus 80. And here is the highest recorded in the OnePlus 80 device. As you can see here friends, you can compare side by side with the download and upload speeds. So this is a quick 4G data speed test comparison between the both the smartphones. And overall, from the mid-range segment to the premium end segment mobile phone, you cannot see that much of difference, but only close to 50 Mbps of difference is there between two models. And for more interesting videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also follow me regularly for more this kind of interesting comparisons and tips and tricks as well. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.